Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete the saved game data off your PlayStation 4 for a certain game. So what we want to do is go up to the top and go to Settings, and then scroll on down until we get to Applications, Save Data Management, right here. And then we can go to Save Data in System Storage on the PlayStation 4, and we can select this. And then we can go to where it says Delete, and then locate the game you want to go ahead and delete. And this will include like your game saves, and maybe you're playing Minecraft, your Minecraft worlds, etc. Or just like your basic account. So here's Sonic Mania. I can press Options on it, or I can go to Select Multiple Applications, and then I can go to Delete and go to OK. Now, if you have PlayStation Plus, this may already be backed up to the cloud. And at any point in time, you can go to Save Data on Online Storage, and you can go to Download to System Storage, and get it back to your PlayStation 4. So sometimes, like in Elder Scrolls Online, I can't log in. Simply going to the system storage and deleting it from there fixes that issue, and I'm able to log back in. So if you are having a problem with the game, go ahead and try this out and just try logging in. Otherwise, you always have a backup under the cloud storage right here. It may take about 15 to 20 seconds for it to load. It says please wait. Now we can locate Sonic Mania, press Options on it, or we can just select it, and then we can go to download back to the PlayStation 4. So we didn't lose any data doing this. We just need PlayStation Plus. But go ahead and try this, and then sign back in, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Tech.